I am from GovGraphs Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 8, exercise 5.1. That has been taken from chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Find all points of discontinuity of f, where f is defined as f of x equal to, open curly bracket here, mod x over x, comma, if x is not equal to 0, f of x equal to 0 if x is equal to 0. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Implied that, given that f of x equal to, open here curly bracket, mod x over x if x is not equal to 0, 0 comma if x is equal to 0. Here I shall write at x equal to 0 because here the condition is x is not equal to 0. Second condition is here it is written if x equal to 0. So here I shall find left hand limit as well as right hand limit at x equal to 0. So here I shall write left hand limit equal to left hand limit lim x tends 0 negative. Here x equal to 0 is written. In this sense, here I shall write x tends 0. Here left hand limit is there. So for left I shall write here negative. So lim x tends 0 negative f of x equal to lim x tends 0 negative f of x. In place of x of f of x, what should write here? Either I should write mod x over x or I should write 0. But here it is given x tends 0 negative. This means that the value of x must be less than 0. In this function f of x equal to 0 if x equal to not x equal to 0. Here in this function f of x equal to 0 if x equal to 0. So in this function the value of x is not less than 0. So here it is written as equal to not 0. This means that the value of x must be greater than 0 or the value of x must be less than 0. So in this sense, I should take the function f of x equal to mod x over x. So here in place of f of x, I should write mod x over x. I should write. So here equal to lim x tends 0 negative in bracket mod, in place of x I should write 0 minus h. So here write 0 minus h. Mod 0 minus h. In place of x I should write 0 minus h. Here it will become h tends 0. Like this you will do, just I am going to explain here at this place. Here if I write x tends 0 negative, imply that x tends 0, this minus will be moved back in center and write here h. H here is constant. It comes out to be fixed. H is fixed there. If you put here x equal to 0, so here write 0 tends 0 minus h implies that h tends 0 when x equal to 0 minus h. So in place of x, I have written h equal to 0 minus h. Then in place of x, I have written 0 minus h. Here, in place of x, I have written 0 minus h. So here I should write lim h tends 0 in bracket mod 0 minus h comes out to here only h over 0 minus h comes out to here minus h. We will get here lim h tends 0 minus 1 comes out to be here minus 1. The value of left hand limit is equal to minus 1 at s equal to 0. Now I should write here at s equal to 0 the value of right hand limit I should find out. So here write right hand limit equal to lim x tends 0 positive. Here x equal to 0. In this sense, I should write here f tends 0. And here right is written. Here for right I shall write here plus. F of x lim f tends 0 positive. Here x tends 0 positive. This means that the value of x must be greater than 0. In this function f of x equal to 0, if x is equal to 0, the value of x here is equal, is not greater than 0 or less than 0. So this function f of x equal to 0, if x equal to 0 will not be applicable for this thing here. Here x is not equal to 0. So either the value of x must be greater than 0 or either the value of x must be less than 0. So this function I shall take f of x equal to mod x over x. So in place of f of x, here I should write mod x over x equal to lim h tends 0. In place of x, I should write 0 plus h. So here write 0 plus h. Mod x. So in place of x, I should write 0 plus h. Mod 0 plus h. Mod. And in place of x, I should write here 0 plus h. Equal to lim h tends 0 mod 0 plus h comes out to here only h over h comes out to here lim h tends 0 1 comes out to here 1. At s equal to 0, the value of right hand limit you have got here 1, and at s equal to 0, the value of left hand limit you have got here minus 1. So here we see that the value of left hand limit is not equal to the value of right hand limit at x equal to 0. So here I shall write, since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, hence Hence, f of x is discontinuous hence f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 0. This will be the answer. My answer will be f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 0. The correct answer will be the point of discontinuity will be x equal to 0. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 8, exercise 5.1, that has been taken from chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. This is the rough work. You can cancel here later on. So this is the rough work I have cancelled here. Okay, thanks.